how much should you actually spend on a lug wrench? Because people seem content with the budget options, but some swear by the pricier ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1. Cartman 14-inch heavy-duty lug wrench. The Cartman 14-inch heavy-duty 4-way universal cross lug wrench. Priced at just $17.39, this one caught my eye with its sturdy design and universal compatibility. If you want a reliable tool that makes tire changes a breeze, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. Made from forged, heat-treated carbon steel, it promises durability and resistance to wear, which is crucial when you're stuck on the roadside. The chrome-plated finish not only looks good, but also protects it against rust and corrosion, extending its life. The 14-inch length provides the leverage needed to loosen stubborn lug nuts without straining yourself. Plus, with 4 different socket sizes, including 11/16ths, and their metric equivalents, it caters to most vehicles out there. Over 1,000 units sold just this month show it's gaining traction among buyers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's designed for ease and efficiency during those frustrating tire changes. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit hefty at 2.5 pounds. Here's the thing though, that weight actually contributes to its sturdiness and performance. If you need a lightweight tool for occasional use, this might not be your best bet, but for real heavy-duty needs, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you frequently change tires or work on cars. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter for casual use. It's a good value for the money, especially with its durability. Now, if the weight of the Cartman lug wrench bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. WorkPro 14-inch Universal Folding Lug Wrench. We have the WorkPro 14-inch Universal Folding Lug Wrench, priced at $15.99. I was intrigued by its folding design, which can be a game changer for storage. If compactness is your priority, this one's definitely worth considering. What stands out is its innovative folding feature. This isn't just about saving space, it also makes it more portable. When you're on the road, a compact tool is easier to handle. The universal design fits most lug nut sizes, making it versatile for various vehicles. Plus, with over 900 units sold last month, you can see it's popular among users looking for convenience. Here's why this matters. If you have limited trunk space or just want something easy to carry, this design is super practical. However, some users mention that the locking mechanism can be a bit tricky to operate. I'll be real with you, if you're not careful, it might feel flimsy. But it's manageable once you get the hang of it, especially if portability is what you're after. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller car and need a space-saving wrench. Skip this one if you want something that feels more robust in hand. For the price, it's a solid option for those who value portability. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability.
Product number 3. EP Auto 14-inch heavy-duty universal lug wrench. The EP Auto 14-inch heavy-duty universal lug wrench is next. What grabbed my attention is its sleek black finish and solid design. If you appreciate a sturdy tool with a modern look, this one's definitely worth a look. This lug wrench is built for strength, featuring a heavy-duty construction that makes it ideal for tough jobs. The 4-way design allows you to switch between various socket sizes easily, which can save a lot of time during a tire change. It also fits a wide range of vehicles, making it versatile. With 700 plus units sold this month, it's clearly making waves with those who prioritize quality. Here's why this matters. When you're in a bind, having a reliable tool can save you a lot of headaches. Now, some users noted that the black finish can wear off with heavy use. Here's the thing though, while it may not look as sharp over time, its performance remains top-notch, and that's what really counts in a pinch. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, sturdy tool for regular use. Skip this one if appearance is a major concern for you. It's definitely worth the investment for the durability it offers. Now, if you want something with a little more length for added leverage, the next product might just fit the bill.
Product number 4. Cartman 16-inch heavy-duty lug wrench. The Cartman 16-inch heavy-duty non-slip 4-way universal cross lug wrench, priced at $19.99. This one caught my eye because of its non-slip grip. If you're looking for something that feels secure in your hand while you're working, this is a great option. The 16-inch length provides extra leverage, making it easier to tackle those stubborn lug nuts, especially when they're overly tight. The non-slip grip ensures you won't lose your hold, which is critical when you're applying force.
This wrench also comes equipped with all the common lug sizes, catering to most vehicles out there. With 500 plus sold last month, it's clear that users appreciate the added comfort. Here's why this matters. When you're wrestling with a stuck lug nut, having a tool that stays in your hand can make all the difference. However, some complaints mention that it's slightly heavier than expected, at 3 pounds. But honestly, that added weight contributes to its durability. If you need something lightweight, this might not be the best fit, but for serious jobs, it excels. This is perfect for you if you want a wrench that prioritizes grip and comfort. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter option for occasional use. It's a fair price for the quality you receive. Now, if you want something a bit more flexible, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench. The EP Auto Telescoping Lug Wrench, priced at $19.87. The telescoping feature intrigued me. It extends to provide more leverage. If you want flexibility in your tool, this one is worth your attention. This lug wrench can extend, which means you can adjust the length depending on your needs. That's perfect for those tricky lug nuts that need a bit more force. The CRV sockets make it compatible with most vehicle types, ensuring versatility. With 400 plus units sold recently, it's gaining traction for its unique features. Here's why this matters. Having an adaptable tool can help tackle a variety of situations, whether you're at home or on the road. However, some users found the telescoping mechanism to be a bit stiff. Here's the thing. While it may take a little getting used to, once you do, that added leverage can be a lifesaver during tough tire changes. This is perfect for you if you appreciate an adjustable tool that can make tight situations easier. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward fixed-length wrench. It's a worthwhile investment for the added versatility.
To wrap things up, we've covered the Cartman 14-inch heavy-duty, WorkPro 14-inch folding, EP Auto 14-inch heavy-duty, Cartman 16-inch heavy-duty, and the EP Auto telescoping lug wrench. Each offers unique features catering to different needs, whether that's portability, durability, or flexibility. Choose the one that fits your style and situation best.